Elon Musk announces that the first human has received a brain implant from his startup Neuralink. Yes, you heard it right. Elon Musk shared his ambitious plan to let humans wirelessly connect their brains with phones and other devices has taken a new step, announcing that the first human has received a brain implant from his Neuralink company. He recently posted on X, formerly known as Twitter, about something new. He shared that the first person got a special implant from Neuralink yesterday and is doing well. The early results look promising for detecting neuron spikes. For those who might not know, Elon Musk has put a computer chip in a person's brain. His company, Neuralink, just started testing on humans. Musk co-founded Neuralink in 2016, and after 8 years, they have their first person trying it out. This is a significant step because it shows that the idea works in practice. This milestone helps prove the concept of a brain-computer interface. BCI is a technology that lets people control machines using their thoughts. It's a way for our brains to communicate directly with computers or other devices. Musk made another post, sharing that the first product is called Telepathy. It's designed to let you control your phone or computer just by thinking. Through these devices, you can also control other things. If successful, it could be a big change, especially for people with paralysis. Musk says they might be the first ones to benefit from this technology. He imagines a scenario where someone like Stephen Hawking could communicate faster than a skilled typist or auctioneer. The plan involves putting a computer chip and other electronics into the brain, which is the link in Neuralink. This chip, about the size of a few coins, will be battery-operated and wirelessly chargeable. This is important because the chip will be directly inserted into the brain, making replacement difficult. A special surgical robot, not a human neurosurgeon, will perform this delicate task, as it involves intricate wiring directly connected to the brain. These wires, or threads, monitor your brain activity, reading your thoughts and sending them to the chip. The chip then sends a signal to an app on your phone or computer, completing the setup. Even though it might sound complex, this idea isn't entirely new. The first device similar to this one came out in 2004. Other companies have been working on making the brain talk directly to computers for years. Some older devices even let people control a robotic limb using their thoughts. So what makes Neuralink special? It's about capturing a lot more brain signals than other devices. The brain chips that already exist might be slower and not capable of doing what Elon Musk wants. Neuralink aims to do more than just helping people without limbs. Musk envisions an advanced brain-computer interface. Think about driving a smart car with your thoughts, playing video games using your mind, or accessing all the information on the internet directly through your brain. The possibilities are endless. That's why Musk calls this first product Telepathy. Telepathy is just the beginning of something bigger. In the future, humans might become even more capable by adding machine parts controlled by the mind, like in a sci-fi movie where people are part human and part machine. But, of course, there are downsides and dangers. Like with any new technology, there's a risk of it being misused. Just think about someone hacking into your brain chip, reading your thoughts, and controlling your robotic limbs. That's a scary thought. We need to be careful and aware of potential risks while also exploring the benefits. These brain chips could help many people, and Elon Musk's company has taken an important step towards that. Now, we have to see how the person with the Neuralink chip reacts in the coming weeks. This will show us how advanced the technology is and how soon we might see these chips available for everyone. Honestly, I'm amazed. I knew something like this was on the way, but seeing it on X or reading about it in the morning makes it feel real. So, is it a good or bad thing? Well, I hope it's a positive development. Elon Musk has always talked about developing these technologies in a safe and responsible way for people. It's still early, and there's a lot of testing and evaluating to do before this becomes mainstream. What excites me is the potential for helping people's health. But the idea of extending these technologies to everyday gadgets, like how smartphones evolved, is fascinating. It's a big opportunity, especially for those who struggle to communicate. But then, who regulates it? It's like Uber for consumer goods. It blends health and technology. We're on the verge of a new era where humans and technology coexist more seamlessly. Now, we'll have to wait and see how the human test subjects respond to the Neuralink chip in the coming weeks. Exciting times lie ahead as we witness the evolution of Neuralink. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking technology? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious and stay techy.